I need to set up a bank account.
Oh, hey, give me a sec, I'm just paying my rent. There, all done. Being an adult can be really hard, but for me, setting up a bank account to manage my money has made my life way easier. I get paid automatically, I'm on top of my bills, and I'm managing to save a little bit each month. Impressive, huh?
Where do I start?
Opening up a bank account is much easier than you think. Just go online or visit a bank in real life, whatever works for you. You'll need your tax file number and 2 forms of ID, one of which has your current address on it. But the hardest part is choosing which bank you want to go with. There are lots of choices out there in banking land. How you choose it is entirely up to you. It might be based on where the branch is or ATMs are located. It could be recommended by a friend or colleague, or it might be the bank that offers the lowest fees. You might even choose your bank based on your favorite color, because let's be honest, that's what I did. But whatever works for you.
How does it work?
Luckily, bank accounts are usually free, particularly if you have money coming in regularly from your employment or Centrelink. And you can choose to open more than one account, the first for day-to-day transactions and another for savings. Nice one! Once you've opened your account, you'll receive a debit card, kind of like this one, usually in the mail. Keep a record of your account details, your card number, and be sure to sign the back of it, so no one else can use it. This card is magic, or maybe not magic, but you can use it to withdraw cash from an ATM or branch, to pay for groceries or other things you wish to buy. You can also use it to deposit money into your account or someone else's account. See? Magic!
Managing my money.
My local branch also helped me to sign up for online banking, which means I can manage all my transactions through my phone. I've set up direct debits for recurring bills like my rent and phone. And I regularly check my balance to help manage my budget and keep my life on track. It's really important, and I can't stress this enough, to keep your details of your bank account and your PIN number private so that no one else can hack into your account and spend your hard-earned cash. So there you have it, bank accounts and how to do it. Now it's over to you guys.